Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, we are here to share tips and tricks for beginner in learning public speaking. Public speaking is a way to communicate with other people so that the goals and objective that we want to convey can be understood. These are good public speaking tips for beginners. Check out the following public speaking tips. 1. Master the material first. First, make sure you are ready and understand the topic of the conversation. Then you will be more confident. It will be conveyed to the audience. If necessary, you can make notes containing the important point of the material. 2. Maintain interaction with audience. Maintain a contact with the audience for good communication. If you feel nervous when looking into the eyes of the audience, you can outsmart it by looking at the area around the eyes. Example such as the forehead or nose, but not too long. 3. Adapt to audience and event. The next way to learn public speaking is to practice speaking with material and language that suits your audience. 4. Take a pause before speak. Another public speaking tip to make speaking in front of a crowd more fluent is to take a pause before starting. 5. Speak slowly. Good speakers are those who are able to make their listener or their audience understand what is being conveyed. One of tips so that the audience understand to material. One of the tips so that the audience understand the material you convey is to speak slowly. Don't forget to keep practicing so that your public speaking skills are more perfect. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nofida Lisdiani. On this occasion, allow me to evaluate the discussion that has been conveyed by Nadia earlier. What was conveyed by Nadia earlier was about tips and tricks for good public speaking for beginners. Which of the 5 points that have been described above have been very helpful for people who are still very beginners in the field of public speaking. However, I will give a few suggestions for tips and tricks for public speaking. Give the additional point is the speaker before speaking should write down important points which will become a general discussion that will be described later. I always implement these tips in my life as long as I want to speak in front of the public. Therefore, I share them with you and add a little the delivery of Nadia alert. Keep in mind that for my addition tips, it is hoped that novice speaker can easily speak broadly if they already have small concept and they are able to understand them in the time. So it doesn't mean that novice speaker can speak as well as rebel speaker who are used to speaking in public. Thank you. That's enough evaluation for me for the material present by Sister Nadia earlier. More or less sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Baik, di sini saya selaku Grammaring akan mengomentari atau memberi evaluasi terkait apa-apa yang sudah disampaikan oleh saudari Nadia. Jadi pada beberapa kalimat yang sudah dibawakan oleh saudari Nadia terkait public speaking, di sini ada 2 kalimat yang menjadi catatan tersendiri bagi saya selaku Grammaring. Yang pertama adalah pada kalimat public speaking is a way to communicate with other people. Nah, menurut saya ini yang lebih baiknya adalah ditambahkan kata great sebelum kata way. Jadinya adalah speaking is a great way to communicate with other people. Karena public speaking adalah salah satu seni dalam berkomunikasi yang tepat sebagai sarana untuk memahamkan audiens, dan jika menggunakan way saja tanpa ada tambahan great tadi, maka bisa dilakukan tanpa public speaking skills. Kemudian yang kedua adalah pada kalimat number 5, speak slowly. Ini ada kalimat their listener or their audience. Nah, ini lebih baiknya hanya menggunakan their listeners or audience agar tidak terkesan sebagai pemborosan kata. Untuk selebihnya saya rasa juga sudah baik. Kemudian untuk koreksi dari pelafalan kata dari yang sudah disampaikan oleh saudari Nadia, ini ada 5 kata yang menjadi koreksi. Yang pertama adalah objektif, ini bacanya harusnya objektif. Kemudian is, ini bacanya seharusnya adalah is. Kemudian such as, bacanya harusnya such as. Kemudian crowd and practicing. Dan untuk selebihnya juga sudah sangat baik sekali. Cukup sekian dari saya. Apabila ada kurangnya mohon maaf. Thank you for your attention. See you.